Okay, let's do this thing real quick. Okay. Bring out the power supply. You know how things are these days. Okay. Yeah, look at this bad boy. It's looking all good now, isn't it? Yeah. So, let's plug this baby in. Turn it on. It's at 3.3. So the voltage there should be 3.3. Yeah. Now we go to 5. Now you see the out input, is at 5. You gotta know that, you know what I'm saying? So let's see, what is it looking like on the multimeter? Yeah, it's about 5. I dig it. Now there's a hard spot. The adjustable one. I gotta use a potentiometer to vary the voltage. But now you see it's going up. Now I can come down. Oh shoot, it's easier now. Put it down. Let's see how low I can get it. Oh, okay. Well, that's as far as I can go right now because it's hard to do it. Thank you.